Hey guys, welcome back to the show. We're out at the range today with the Iowa 1500 in the 6.5 Creedmoor, the American flag edition Iowa. It is set up with a, I don't know how to pronounce the name of this scope, so y'all bear with me here. A Nico Sterling diamond 4x16x50 scopes. Really nice piece of glass. Today we're going to be doing an ammo comparison between the Federal Premium Law Enforcement 140 grain blue tips, the Aguila 140 grain full metal jacket boat tails, and the Hornady match, which is 147 grain red tip. So we're going to sight this thing in and do look them 3-shot groups on them, see what we can do with them. Alright guys, we got her sighted in and everything's looking pretty good. I've got one shot on the Aguilas already. I was running a little lower on ammo than what I thought on those, so just bear with me here. We're going to go ahead and finish this 3-shot group on the Aguilas. Alright, and the last shot on the Aguila didn't fire. So, we're going to go to the Hornady match. I'm going to do a 3-shot group for those. These are the red tip Hornady match ammo. Alright, we've got one more with the Federal Law Enforcement. We'll take a look at these after we get finished with all this. We'll bring it back into the office and take a look at the groupings and how we've done. Still makes me wonder why the one last Aguila didn't fire. I have to get rid of that one. Alright, now this is the Federal Law Enforcement 147 grain. I think I may have pulled that one. We may have to redo that one. Just for... No, it looks pretty good down there. Alright guys, there you have it. 100-yard group test with the Howell 1500 6.5 Creedmoor with the Nico Sterling Diamond Scope 4x16x50. We had the Hornady Match 140 grain ammo, the Aguila Full Metal Jacket Boat Tail 140 grain, and the Federal Premium Law Enforcement 140 grain. Okay guys, so I was going to take you back to the office and do this, but I just couldn't wait to see what the results were. So here's the results of the Aguila 140 grain. We got it sighted in, and don't really have my tape measure or anything out here, but we're going to set a 357 shell casing right between them. So you can tell it's probably within 1.25 inches right there. Just on those. That's just a Full Metal Jacket boat tail. You got two that went real close together right here at my thumb. You see where the two holes went in and just tore that up. But there it is for reference on that. And next we have the Hornady Match, which got a little better group right here. So still probably within 1 inch. And set up the 357 casing there, so you can tell how close those really are. It's 147 grain Hornady Match. It's the red tip ammo. But the best group of the day was 140 grain Federal Law Enforcement. Those come in really tight. They have really good grouping on those. There's the same 357 shell casing right there, just to show you how close those really are. Guys, there you have it. Comparison test with the three ammos. Just have to try them out, see which one works best for yours. Guys, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button down there. Tell your friends about us. Look for our Linktree link. It's got all of our links to all our social media, our merchandise store, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So, see you next time. Thanks.